Hello everyone, my name is Laurencia Manurung. I'm from Group P1A1. In this opportunity, I will explain my review journal with title Language Change and Development Historical Linguistic. Language Change and Development Historical Linguistic. Language can change and development because of adaptation of development and pattern change and system of society life, such as level of education, social, culture, and technology mastery. Language change and development can occur internally and externally. In this article, the change internally and language development will be reviewed by looking through the study of historical change and development language based on the history of its development. While change in external and development will be explored through the study of sociolinguistics by examining and looking at change and development that language is influenced by socio-cultural factors that occur in society. Change internally initially occur in the behavior of speaker in their everyday lives to adjust to each other, and followed by a tendency to innovate in groups of people who are already familiar, then followed by other changes in sequence, which ultimately makes a language different each other, although originally derived from a single language family. Change in the external language, change and language development is caused by the contact of a language with other languages, where humans are social beings who have been culture either interconnected or interethnic nation in the world in a country. A language is a social fact, a kind of social contract. It is both a social product of the faculty of speech and a collection of necessary conventions that have been adopted by a social body to permit individuals to exercise the faculty. Language is part of linguistic field. Language linguistic deals with human language. Campbell 2002 page 1 says that early development in linguistics were considered part of philosophy, rhetoric, logic, psychology, biology, pedagogy, politics, and religion, making it difficult to separate the history of language from intellectual history in general, and as a consequence, work in the history of linguistics has contributed also to the general history of ideas. It is not possible to understand development in linguistics without taking into account their historical and cultural context. Rather looser definitions, such as linguistics is the study of all the phenomena involved with language, its structure, its use, and the implication of this might be more helpful, even if it seems vaguer, from Bayer 2007, page 11. Language change and development, national, international, or ethnic language cannot be avoided. If someone or speaker moves to new place, the speaker will influence of new society, so there are new dialect, find of the new word, even synthetic structure language also change. Language can change and development by itself slowly. Language can change and development because of adaptation of development and pattern change and system of society life, such as level of education, social, culture, and technology mastery. The process of language change is influenced by many factors. In this paper, the writer will explain about change and development of language historically in two languages that have same language family even they from same branch, same brains. Change that happens in their language is structurally and format word. In external change in the research will relate to the entirety of language in other language species in multilingual society. Language can be separated from sociolinguistic. The definition of sociolinguistic is combination of two words. The sociolinguistic is from two science disciplines, sociology and linguistics. Language and society have close relation. Language is a social product with many functions in order to be used maximal by human being in communication and interaction with each other. In social linguistics, language is not only viewed as language, but it can become communication, interaction, and used in kinds of moment in human being living in society. In society, one is not only as individual who separate with other, but member of society. Language is not only personally using, but using in social activities. In fact, there are of dialect in society. The difference of dialect of language is caused by speaker different class, region, social status, and speaker habitual. Okay, so thank you for your attention. I think that's all about my review journal with title Language Change and Development Historical Linguistics. Thank you.